Hi, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about what is programming language. So first we will define what is programming language. Programming language is a translator between the human language and computer language. So we have learned the definition and we will try to understand what is programming language and why we need the programming language, how they have introduced the programming language. So let me take you to specific scenarios to explain in detail. See, for example, once upon a time, I wanted to go to supermarket. In that time, we don't have the computer or machine which can help me to or help the shopkeeper to generate the receipts and bills. So what will happen if I go to the supermarket and if I purchase the 1,000 items? They don't have the computer or machine with them. So what will happen? They are manually generating the bills and they will write it and they will provide the bill to me, right? See, for example, in this process, the man who is writing the bills will take more hours to write the bill and provide the receipt for the items which I have purchased. So this is one scenario. Only one person went to the supermarket and purchased the 1,000 items. It is taking 2 hours time for this person who is writing the bills. In case 1,000 or 100 persons went to the supermarket and they have purchased the 1,000 items. In that time, the total items they have purchased is 1 lakh. It will take 24 to 48 hours to write and generate the bills for the specific candidates because they don't have the computer or they don't have the machine with them. So there is human being or else that is a manual effort that is taken care by the human being is manually generating, right? So let me take some different scenario. Now if I go to the supermarket and if I purchase the 2,000 items, they are providing the bill within 5 to 10 minutes. How it is possible? Basically, there is a machinery or there is a computer that is taken care of generating the bills and receipts, that is taken care of scanning all the items and price of the specific items and the count of the price. Everything can be taken care by the computer. So we will come to the main point. See, for example, there is a computer that kept in the supermarket and persons are purchased in. So now what will happen? Basically, so let me take you the scenario. So there was a computer or machinery that was kept in the supermarket and you have purchased 1,000 items and you came to the counter and you are telling to computer that generate the bill for whatever the items which I have purchased. But computer cannot understand what you are trying to say or what you are trying to speak. Why? Because computer don't know what you are talking. So that what we are speaking, that is human language, that computer cannot understand. And whatever the bills that is generated by computer codes that we cannot understand. So we need some translator to convert human language into computer language into human language. So when I say translator, what translator will do? Basically, there is two persons who is very familiarized with Telugu and somebody speaks English very well. Both of them wanted to communicate each other. We see that person don't know the Telugu and the English person don't know the Telugu and Telugu person don't know the English. So if they wanted to communicate, we should have some translator who knows Telugu very well and English very well, because this translator knows both of the language. He can get the information from English guy and he can update it to the Telugu person. So this is how the translator will work. So what I'm trying to say here, so when you go to the supermarket, when you're purchasing the items, computer, when you say something to computer, that cannot understand you. So we should have some language or translator that can convey your language to machine language and mission language to yours. So that can be done by the programming language. So the goal of programming language is, so it is acting or working as a translator between the human language and computer language. So these programming languages are different languages that they have introduced actually. C and C++, Java, Python, Pascal, whatever the programming languages that they have introduced, the ultimate goal is convey our human instruction to computer and get the computer instruction converted to the human language. What I'm trying to say, that can be understood by human being. So this is the key role that is playing by the programming language. So now hopefully you understood what is the programming language and what is the importance of programming language. Because when some person is doing manually, it is taking much time. When we introduce some mission, so mission cannot understand the human language. Since we have the programming language introduced, that will convey our human messages into the like computer instructions. So whatever the computer required, that language can be converted by the programming language, right? So we have the different programming languages, and why we wanted to learn the Java. So what are the benefits that we have and what are the features Java is offering? So that we have to understand to get expertise or to become a Java full stack developer. We should know the background of Java, why we are learning, what are the features that Java is providing, and what is Java. So that we will going to discuss in next class. Thank you so much for watching.